China and the North American Free Trade Agreement (NAFTA) region share a complex and intertwined trade relationship. In this video, we delve into the dynamics of trade between China and the NAFTA countries, examining the opportunities, challenges, and impacts on both sides. Join us as we explore the factors that drive this trade partnership and the potential future developments. With China's rise as a global economic powerhouse, its trade relations with the NAFTA region have significantly evolved over the years. This video sheds light on the history of trade between China and the NAFTA countries, analyzing the trade volume, key sectors, and the exchange of goods and services. We explore how NAFTA countries export commodities to China, while also delving into China's exports, including manufactured goods and technology products, to the NAFTA markets. The video further examines the impact of China's trade on the economies of NAFTA countries. We explore the opportunities for businesses in North America to tap into the vast Chinese market and benefit from the increasing consumer demand. Additionally, we analyze how Chinese investments in the NAFTA region contribute to economic growth and job creation. As we navigate the complexities of trade between China and the NAFTA region, we also address the challenges and potential areas of concern. We discuss issues such as intellectual property rights, market access, and regulatory barriers that need to be addressed to ensure fair and sustainable trade relationships. At Trade and Invest, we provide expert insights and guidance on global trade, including the trade relationship between China and the NAFTA region. Stay informed and up to date by subscribing to our Trade and Invest YouTube channel, where we cover a wide range of topics related to international trade, investment opportunities, and market trends. Join us on this journey as we explore the fascinating and evolving trade dynamics between China and the NAFTA countries, understanding the implications for businesses, economies, and the global marketplace. Subscribe to our Trade and Invest YouTube channel for expert insights and valuable information on international trade, investment, and market trends.